You are redirected for a reason. Hi, Charles here. It's Friday and thank God it's Friday. So, right now sa nakikita nyo sa video, medyo cloudy na may araw since may bagyo nga. But yeah, good luck for today sa mga activities and lakad natin. So, ayun, let's dive in dun sa ating topic na you were redirected for a reason. So naniniwala naman kayo, 'di ba, na lahat ng bagay is orchestrated by God, parang nakaplano na yan siya lahat. So I want to share something so personal today of what happened to my work. So what happened was there was a announcement yesterday na meron daw parang important announcement that will happen last night. So syempre parang kami mga empleyado parang we don't know what's gonna happen. Ano ba yung important na announcement or meeting na mangyayari? So akala ko yung announcement yung 13th birthday magbibigay ng ham kasi malapit na magpapasko, but ayun, so kanina everyone was so shocked kasi the company is restructuring, so sad, but ayun, may mga na let go na mga tao. So and I pray na sana maging okay yung mga naiwan at yung mga nawala. So actually what happened personally sa akin, ako malapit na ako kasi if you go back to my video before na I was moved to a different team or pang different tier ganon. So when I was moved there parang okay naman, pero syempre medyo challenging talaga yung tier na yon. And itong another team or parang another campaign or yung work na team is may nawalang isa, and they need someone na papalit doon sa nawala kasi syempre they need people na mag-work doon sa mga trabaho na yon na kailangan i-cover doon sa isang nawala. And ayun, nag-ask sila sino pwedeng interviewin, and ayun, I was recommended by my TL. Thanks T. So ayun, nag-interview, and then end of day, ayun, in-announce ako ngayong nakuha, and then I was moved to that team. And what happened was, ayun, parang wala pang isang buwan, diba? Hindi pa natapos yung buwan, this happened, and talaga ang galing ni Lord. I'm sad syempre sa nangyari doon sa mga ka-team namin na nawala, but God is really good, great. I don't know, kanina yung narinig ko yung announcement na yun, parang I prayed and naiyak ako sa nangyari. Kasi after that announcement, nag-PM yung dati kong TL kasi I was moved to a different TL na or supervisor na ayun, nawala pala kung saan ako umalis. Sila yung mga inalis for last night. So ayun, parang napaluha talaga ako, and thank God. But I also pray for my teammate na nawala syempre. But yeah, I was just so amazed how God made it happen, and thank you for this chance, Lord, na I'm still here, and I'm praying na sana as I navigate this dito, nandito pa rin ako na makayanan ko yung mga lahat mga challenges. I know I prayed for this work, and this work talagang nakakatulong sa akin, me, my family, sa mga needs and all, and me as a person personally. So thank you, Lord, and I pray na ikaw na pong bahala din sa company namin and sa lahat, and ikaw din na nasa same situation, parang hindi natin maintindihan minsan mga bagay-bagay. Ako personally hindi ko maintindihan kasi na-move ka, so tapos biglaan yung pagka-move ko noong last time, or parang it's a challenge for me, but ayun na ano naman, nakapag-transition naman. So ganun talaga ang buhay. All you have to do is pray for it and work for it, and God has a plan for everything. Ayun lang. Annyeong mama. Bye bye.